Going everybody, Brian back here with a look at bone. All right, we got a breakout on this weekly. You can see the resistance, the blue resistance line here, right over top, and you can see price actually pushing up as I'm making a video here. Okay, so this is looking very, very good for bone. We're going to go over these RSIs and everything on this thing. Look where it could possibly be heading next and some resistance areas to watch out for. All right, first off, I want to show you the crypto bubbles over here. Having a very nice day. All right, Bitcoin is approaching that 702 level. All right, I don't know if it is going to get rejected there or not. We got some bearish divergence on the weekly chart. Got some stuff happening on that chart for sure. All right, if we take a quick look at it here, you can see that 702 is right up at, let's see here, right around $53,000. All right, if it gets rejected there, then, you know, I don't know. We have one target that is pushing it just up a slight hair above it. All right here. I want to show you this. Wave one. Now I'll do it as best I can for the video here. All right, and then you got right up around 55, close to 55. All right, now would that get the market wrong-footed? Absolutely. You know, if this is a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, then your fifth wave up here, you know, it might just make it to the 53 and get rejected. Might make it to the 55. You know, that would get everybody wrong-footed. Oh, it made it through the 702. This thing's really going now. Boy, oh boy, I don't know. It's going to be very close, guys. The weekly, as you can see down here in the bottom, we got bearish divergence. We got this high, we have a lower high, and then on price action, the same area, we have this high, and we have a higher high on price. Okay, so we'll see what happens here with Bitcoin, but keep a very, very close eye. I bet you there is a pile of sell orders up here at 53. You know, another thing that's really, I'm questioning this. There's no volume. You know, you look down there, there's not much volume coming in down there. All right, that makes me question this breakout too. You know, if you look through there, nothing massive. You know what I'm saying? Like a big spike like over here. You know, of course, price is a lot higher. I get that. You're not buying a $10,000 Bitcoin like back here in 2019. It's, you know, $48,000 Bitcoin now. But still, volume is extremely low. No breakouts on volume. All right, maybe a lot of people thinking the same thing. If it makes it through the 702, then they'll jump in. But don't be shocked. We run up here and get a rejection and pull down to the 30s. Could happen, could not. We'll see. Crypto bubbles. Nice day out there today. And a lot of stuff heading up there. Pretty nice. Beam, that's approaching a price target there. I have out for it right around 3 cents. Caspas is getting up there. Target for it is right around 16 cents. You know, there's a lot of stuff out there jumping though, looking good. You know, in a bull run, in an alt season, these numbers, you know, be 20% plus per day. It'll blow your mind. If you haven't been through a bull run yet, oh boy, get ready. A ton of fun. You know, if we look at another thing, if we look at here, open interest in the market, 46.7 billion. That's up 5.5% from yesterday. 24-hour liquidations. If we get rejected at the 702, these are going to be astronomical. 197.8 million. That's up 67.39% from yesterday. And 24-hour volume for the crypto market. That's good to see. 137.2 billion. That's up 71.5% from yesterday. You got 51.41% longs and 48.59% shorts out there. And I'll bet you're going to see, you know, a lot of shorts coming in once we hit that 702. We'll see what happens. There's a lot of people think because we made it through the 618, we're going to the moon. You know, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens here. But we do have bone breaking out. All right, this is quite obvious. You had your resistance here, you got the breakout, and it looks like this thing's gonna start moving up here. Right now, we had a high today of 0.638. We're at 6310 right now, up 3.78%. All right, now the weekly, we have a bullish weekly RSI, 29 and a 14. A monthly, bullish monthly at a 5.6 and a 3.3. That's good to see. I mean, this thing with a bullish weekly and a bullish monthly, this thing could end up making some very, very nice moves. All right, the daily, it's up at the top there. It's a 82 and an 87. Actually have flipped bearish on the daily. I believe that's going to head back up though. Right down here, it's only at a 50, right around a 57. Okay, so it's roughly halfway up on the bottom. Still tons of room to come up. 12-hour, it is at a 55 and a 59, and you can see it trying to push back up. See the curve here on there, trying to push back up, and on the bottom also. On the regular RSI, you can see it pushing back up on the 12-hour. 8-hour, same deal, bullish, 24 and a 12, and the 4-hour bullish, 71 and a 44. Okay, so if we come out here on a daily, let's go on the weekly and look for resistance levels. All right, obviously, right up here, you can see one on the weekly. Let's get these marked out here. Actually, let's go on a monthly. They're a lot stronger on a monthly. The further you go out, the stronger the support and resistance areas are. That's a major one at 67.7. Up from that, you have one here, right there at right about close to 75 cents. And then the next one up from that would be at right around 79 cents. All right here. We'll leave these on here because these are monthly closing candles. They're a lot more price. You know, the price is going to have a lot more reaction to a monthly close, you know, considered to a daily close. All right, but keep an eye on this thing. All right, that first resistance, the big one, is up at 67.7. We get through that, and we should be heading to 75 cents. But definitely looks like a breakout to me. All right, maybe you know, the market moves up in waves, Elliott waves, waves of 5, waves of, you know, that comes down waves of 3, and also comes down in waves of 5 also. But be looking for 5 waves up here. See, because we're on a weekly, that'll, once we get, see how we have 1, 2, 3 touches. Now that we go on a daily, our wicks change a little bit here. You got to adjust your trend lines, you know, once you go back in on from a monthly or from a weekly to a daily. But you still have a clear breakout of resistance here. All right, I'll be watching for this thing to push up here, you know, towards that 67.7. This could be a wave 1, 2. If it is a 2 wave, you could actually see a pull back down here to a 56.6. That would retest the breakout and then the bounce from here. Either option could happen there. All right, either it's going to push up from here, or you're going to see a pull right back down here to 56.7 and then take off. That's where you could see a massive amount of volume come in if it pulls back down right to this level here. Up, brighten it up a little bit so you know where I'm talking. Right down here. You know, it could pull down there, could take off from here, but either way, bone, it looks great. It really does. For a long time, it finally looks like it's ready to do a move. All right, thanks a lot. Please hit the like and subscribe. Be back with you soon, guys.